In this video, I'm going to show you how to input any image or photos in using Photoshop CC. Let's see. First of all, you just keep in your image to your scanner, then go to open your Photoshop application in your computer. I'm just open the Photoshop. Here you can see. After open the Photoshop application, from this menu, just click on File and then click Import. Then click via support. Here you can see there is no option to browse, and then here are the options: open acquired image in Photoshop, then select it and open it. Here is which device you can want. Your scanner will be shown here, and here you can see the option. I'm just click this additional option. Here you can see the resolution DPI. I am changing it 300 DPI, and then click on scan. After some times preparing image to import your Photoshop application, here you can see the image has been imported in your Photoshop application. That's it. I hope you enjoy the video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.